Ayo! Hi, Inday! Sod ko ha! Okay ka? Basin dili ko ganahan mo sod ko. Ayan na sa Sari Store. Kumusta ang halin di ate? Ayan na walay utang. Katawaan ni mama. Oy. Ayaw ti hello, very dark kay mo here. Wala mo lights. Asa man na kabutang? Kani. So selvi mo reflector siya all throughout sa house. Sige. Ato sa i-flash bit. Sa prank. Layo. Hi, Ati. Annyeonghaseyo. So, I will ask you a question. Okay ka? Matni siya. Joke or Inday. So, who is your sponsor?
Pak Sochilnim.
Pak Sochilnim. So, this month, do you miss Pak Sochilnim? So, actually, Pak Sochilnim wasn't able to online. It's because he is undergoing surgery. So, na siya sa hospital kagon Inday, ni-undergo siya surgery, and we don't know sad unsa nga kanang procedure or unsa nga sakit ba kaha nganong nagpa-surgery siya. So, he sent a message to Teacher Vivian. He said that if magpaabot lang ka, if you will just wait, he will be back after sa iyahang surgery. Okay? So, don't miss him too much. So, ayaw ga kamingaw niya maayo ha, kaya mabalik ka daw siya. So, we hope that the surgery will be successful. Okay? And he will be in a fast recovery. Dali ka dayon siya ulian, ha? Sod ko? Ano man, loy ka? Actually, ako, Inday, wala si ko kabalo if unsa ang iyahang gibati or what is the reason why he is undergoing surgery. Maybe it's confidential or personal, but we will pray and we will hope that he will get better soon. Okay? So, include him in your prayers as well. Okay? Fighting?
Fighting.
So, lara kay message ni Pak Sochilnim, basin mo watch ni siya ani after niya og surgery.
Annyeonghaseyo, Pak Sochilnim. I'm sincerely praying that your recovery will be quick, complete, and peaceful. I am really hoping that each new day bring you strong, greater love and hope. May God gives you more good health always. God bless you.
Yes. Good health, right? We're hoping for that for everyone, and especially to Pak Sochilnim. Okay? Sige, thank you, Inday, and thank you, Ati.